Hi all, in this video we are going to discuss about a numericals which this question occurred in 2025 to 26 set 2. Okay, so this is coming under chapter 1, electric fields and charges. I am reading the question. In electric field, E vector equal to 10x plus 5 I cap Newton per coulomb exists in a region in which a cube of side L, okay, this cube has its side L, is shown in the figure. Here x and L are in meters. Calculate the net flux through the cube. Okay, so we have to calculate the net flux through the cube. Side of the cube is given and E vector is also given. We have to apply the formula phi is equal to E dot A, E vector dot A vector, and we have to calculate the net flux. Okay, yes, we have discussed. Okay, so electric field lines, that is passing through which and all the phases only we have to calculate. Okay, we have to calculate electric flux for those phases which is receiving the electric field lines. If you consider here, electric field lines won't pass through these surfaces and all, this surface, front, back and all, top, bottom, front and back. The electric field lines, they are just grazing the surface. Only the left face, phi L and phi R, through phi L and phi R only, electric field lines will pass through the surface. Okay, through other phases they won't enter through the surface, but they will graze the surface and go. Okay, so no need to count that phases and all. It's enough if we calculate for left and right phases. Okay, so phi L. Here x is the x value is 0 if we calculate for phi L, left face. Okay, so let me write E vector dot A vector, that is equal to E A cos theta, and E, since it's A is side square. Okay, for this phase it's side square, so L square cos. For left phase, if you see, it's given in I cap, this direction, but A vector is in this direction. Okay, electric field is in right direction. Area vector for this left phase, we have to draw a normal from the phase, so it's towards the left phase. So since they are anti-parallel, they are forming 180 degrees. Hope you understood. So it's here cos 180 degree. So instead of E, I have to write 10x plus 5 into L square cos 180 degree. Okay, so 10, what is your x here? X is at origin. Okay, the left face where x is at 0, so write 0 plus 5 into L square cos 180 degree is minus 1. Okay, so instead of minus 1, I am writing here as minus. Okay, so 10 into 0 will become 0, 5 L square. So here minus 5 L square. So 10 into 0 will become 0, 5 into L square will become 5 L square, cos 180 degree is minus 1, so that this minus sign is coming. Okay, so this is the net flux for the left hand face. Okay, so we have to consider for the right hand side face also. Okay, so I am going to calculate here for the right hand face. Okay, phi R is equal to, for the right side face, so again E A cos theta. So E is 10 x plus 5. Okay, A vector. So for this also A is L square, side square. Here also is side square. So side is mentioned as L in the question itself. So it will be L square. Here, what will be your theta value? Theta value, if you see electric field E dot A, we have to look for both the electric field's direction and area vector's direction. Okay, electric field's direction is also towards the right and area vector's direction is also towards the right. Okay, so what we have to do? Cos since they are in the along the same direction, since both these vectors are along the same direction, E vector and A vector, so angle is 0 degree. Okay, so cos 0 degree. So if you see here, if you look here, what is your distance here? Distance that makes with the origin to this face, from the origin to this face is L. So I am writing 10L plus 5 into L square, cos 0 degree is 1. So I am writing 1. Okay. So 10L into L square is 10L cube plus 5L square. Okay. Newton, wherever you are writing the end, you should write it unit. Okay. Unit for electric flux is Newton meter square per coulomb. Okay. So we have found out successfully, we found out the electric flux for both the left hand phase and right hand phase. So for finding out the net flux, we should add both the flux. Okay. So here I am writing phi net is equal to phi left plus phi right. Am I right? So phi left is minus phi L square plus, I am just erasing this diagram for your better understanding purpose. So phi right is 10L cube plus phi L square. So if you see here, minus phi L square and plus phi L square will cancel each other, and 10L cube Newton meter square per coulomb. The net flux is 10L cube Newton meter square per coulomb. Hope you understand.